Robert back here. Welcome to another edition of the Coffee Challenge. Okay, I got this little 508 stove that I just went through for one of my subscribers, Jimmy Conley. I finished it up last night, except for a pump leather I was out of, so I put in the mold and come in from work this morning and I went ahead and put the new pump leather on. So I haven't tried it yet since I put the pump leather on, so might as well go ahead and fire it up, make sure the pump leather is working right, and we got to make a cup of coffee on this before we send it back to him. What do you think? Hey, building a lot better pressure than what that plastic one was doing, that's for sure. Man, those plastic pump cups, they're a joke. I kid you not. Let that thing warm up a little bit and calm down just a hair. She's getting there. Like I said, she's a little cold-natured, but getting closer. All right, I think we're there. I don't know if I got that on video, but just as I was turning the camera off, I looked down and seen there was a flame coming out of the cleaning lever there. And all I done was took a little wrench and tightened it down a little bit, and it stopped it. Let's make sure. Yep, we got it. Turn that heat down a little bit. Man, that thing puts out some heat. Using my GSI cup. I ordered this bag of pour over coffee bags from Amazon. Haven't tried them yet. I gotta open them. All right. Like that. Tell you what I better do. I'll end up with a cup full of grounds if I try that. So what I tell you, see how much I just dropped there? It ought to be plenty. Pour enough in there, just let that get wet. Let it soak in a little bit before I start pouring. Hey, I think I like these little bags. It's looking like coffee down in there. Okay, let's give this a try. Not bad. Carolina Crisp Cup. Not bad. Yeah, I think I'm gonna like those bags. Be great for backpacking. Day hike just on the trail. Okay, this cup's got to go out to somebody. Don't guess there's any better person than Jimmy. Jimmy Conley, buddy. It's your stove. Hope you don't mind I made a cup of coffee on it. I couldn't resist, man. Alright, Jimmy, I appreciate you making contact with me about the stove, and glad I could help you out. Really appreciate it. Maybe you can join us at the fall meet this year. Hey, it's not far from you. Turkey Foot Campground, McKee, Kentucky. It's I think it's east of Berea, if I'm not mistaken. It's the other side of Berea. October the 14th, 15th, and 16th, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.